Namaste and welcome. I am Usha, and in this video session we will learn how to use Power Query for basic data cleaning in Power BI using simple steps like removing rows, promoting header and changing data types. Let's begin. First, open Power BI. Click on blank report. So this is the interface of Power BI. Today I am going to cover about Power Query. Power Query follows the ETL process, extract, transform, load. Today we will focus on the transform part using Power BI. Step 1. Import data. Click on Home. Click on Get Data. Click on Excel Workbook. You have to select your file. So this is my file, Power Query Raw Data. Click Open. In the navigator window, choose your sheet. So I choose both fitness status and user data. Now click transform data to open Power Query editor. So this is a transform data option. Click on this. Step 2. Understand the Power Query interface. Once you click on transform data, the Power Query editor windows open. So let's understand its interface. This is very important before starting any data transformation. So in left panel, you can see the queries pane. This shows the list of all data tables or queries you have loaded. If you have multiple sheets or tables, each one will appear here. Example, fitness status, user data. You can right click on any query to rename or delete it. Next, center panel. This is where you actually see and work with your data. You can scroll through rows and columns just like in Excel. Every action you take will reflected immediately here. In the top menu, ribbon tabs. You will see ribbon tabs like Home, Transform, Add Column, View, Tools and Help. So these are the ribbon tabs. In right panel, you can see Applied Step. Every step you apply, like removing a row or changing data type, gets recorded here. Step by step, you can rename steps, you can delete steps, you can reorder steps. This panel is very useful for editing or undoing your action. In Power Query, there is no Control Z option. So if you want to undo your work, you can use this applied step. Remember, left for queries, center for data view, and top for tools, and right for applied steps. Once you are comfortable here, Power Query becomes very easy to use. So you already understood the interface of Power Query. Right now, we are going to work on Power Query editor. So I'll go for step 3, remove top rows. Let's remove unwanted rows. So first two rows which have the details of null, and this is unwanted one. We are removing starting two rows. Go to home and you can see remove rows option. Click on remove rows. Remove top rows. Enter the number of rows to remove. Here I don't want starting two rows, so I just return 2, then press OK. So now you can see first two rows which was removed. Step 4, remove blank rows. In this particular data table, you can see some of the rows are completely blank. So we are going to remove those rows. Steps are, go to Home tab, click on Remove Rows. In that, remove blank rows. So if you are clicking on remove blank rows, entire blank rows in this particular Excel book will be removed. You can check there is no null rows are there. There is no blank rows are there. In single click, you just remove entire blank rows. This is a use of Power Query. Next step, step 5, promoting header. You can see here user ID, date and steps. So this is a heading for this particular table, but it is not in a proper place. We have to promote the first row as a heading. So if your data column heading are in this first row, then first you have to click on Home tab. In that you can find Transform Group. In Transform Group, use first row as header option will be there. So that command will be useful for that purpose. So just click on this. So now you can see the first row which is promoted as a heading. So this promote the first row to the header level. Step 6. Change data type. Power Query usually detects data types automatically. You will see the symbols here. User ID which has 123 symbol. So the data type which was changed, and here date related details are there, and according to that data type which was changed, calendar icon for date and 1234 number. But you can manually change it by clicking on the data type icon in the column header if it required. If you're clicking here, you can change the data type also. Step 7. Check for errors. Go to View tab, click on Column Quality. If you're clicking on Column Quality, you can see the details which was appearing related to errors. This shows any errors, empty values or valid data counts in each column. So here you can see valid is 100% and error is 0% and empty is 0%. So almost all the error which was removed from this particular table. Step 8. Load the data to Power BI. Click on Home tab, and in Close Group you can see Close and Apply. In that, click on Close and Apply. So it will load the data to Power BI. Now the data is successfully loaded into Power BI. You are ready to move to the visualization stage. So if you want to check the data, then go to data pane in Power BI. You can see the data which was appearing here. In today's lab, we covered importing data into Power Query, removing unnecessary rows, next promoting headers, changing data type, checking for column quality and errors, and load data to Power BI. If this Power Query lab helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you want the advanced part next, including merging queries and custom column. Until then, happy analyzing.